I am sure there must be 100 minutes in an hour when worry is all I can do. And it makes me kinda wonder why time is going nowhere when I'm waiting for you. When you're gone,